If it's your first time using Salesforce or any CRM, your first question is likely to be, where or how do I get started? When you come into Free Suite, you're going to land on the home page. Think of this as your control center with the key things that will help you get started. Let's start on the left. This navigation menu gives you a quick shortcut to key customer details, like who your customers are and their businesses, along with the collection of features that will help you sell, support, and market to your customers. The bottom icon here will help you manage your account. At the top, you can see the Home tab. As you explore Free Suite, you'll see more tabs appear for easy access to features and your data. On the right-hand side, you'll notice these icons. These are incredibly helpful for getting you started quickly. Clicking on the question mark will open up the Guidance Center, which will walk you through the key features and experiences based on the jobs that you want to accomplish. There's a lot that can be done in Free Suite, so be sure to check them all out. When you click the gear icon, that will open up the quick settings. This provides a shortcut to some of the most common user settings, including adding another user, setting up custom fields for your records, and adjusting the stages of your sales processes. Here's where you can also dive deep into the advanced settings and see just how much control you have in Salesforce. But it is quite a lot if you're brand new, so we recommend sticking with the quick settings until you're ready to dive in. The bell icon provides notifications to let you know if you have any updates. You'll know when you do when you see a red number next to it. Here in the middle is the Spotlight section. This is where you'll see recommendations for next steps as you get started and keep going with Free Suite. These are contextual and will highlight steps based on how you're using Salesforce. It will also let you know if there's a new feature to explore. When you click on a card, it will walk you through the specific feature or experience. If you'd like to see more of these cards with recommendations or revisit ones you've finished, you can find them by clicking on View All Cards. Now, these empty squares in the middle will show you a quick snapshot of your customer details and how your business is doing. You won't see anything at the beginning, so let's jump ahead. That's more like it. You can see these records show how your business is doing with the data you've added in. And the cool thing is that these cards can be changed to suit your needs or interests. You can probably tell there's a lot to see and do in Free Suite, but that's the beauty of Salesforce. You can really make it work for your business, whether you're first starting out or getting ready to grow.